In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Cash App account to Zelle. Now, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is make sure both apps are fully updated. Head to the App Store or Google Play, look up Cash App, and install or update the app. Do the same thing with Zelle, so you're working with the latest version. Once that's done, open up the Zelle app. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. If you already do, just enter your mobile number and sign in. After signing in, tap on your profile bubble and continue. Here, you'll need to search for your bank. The bank you select will depend on who you use. For example, I use Capital One, so I'll select that. Most of the time, your bank will already have Zelle built into their app. If that's the case, Zelle will direct you to your banking app automatically. So for Capital One, I just tap Go to your banking app, and inside the banking app you'll see an option that says Send Money with Zelle. From here, you can send or request money using your bank's app through Zelle. If you're with Chase, Wells Fargo, or another bank, the process is the same. Just make sure you have the bank's app installed and look for the Zelle option. Next, let's connect this to Cash App. Open Cash App. Then, go to your profile in the top right corner. Scroll down to Linked Banks. Now you'll want to link the exact same bank account that you've already connected to Zelle. Once that's linked, Cash App and Zelle are essentially tied together through your bank. From here, if you add cash in Cash App, the funds will pull from your bank account, which is also tied to Zelle. On the other hand, if you cash out from Cash App, the money will go back into your bank, and from there you can send or request money using Zelle. So really, Zelle and Cash App don't connect directly with each other, but by linking the same bank account to both, you can move money between the two smoothly. And that's how you connect Cash App to Zelle. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.